Well, it's finally happened. Today is Friday, February 16th. It's about 2:45. This arrived about 45 minutes ago. I had to do some other things before I could get to it. But my new shaper is here. So I'm going to open up the box and see what's going on inside here. Nicely packed. I like that. Those corners. So it's a box in a box, which tells me that you want to make sure it gets here in one piece. Perfect. Lift origins, back handle. So we got a hose. Guard, and the unit itself. Then underneath this tray toolkit, tape, router bits, got two, one's an 1/8 inch, I think that's 1/8 inch, solid carbide spiral bit. Yeah, 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, and then a V-bit. Ball socket wrench. The collet wrench. It looks like a jump drive. Yep. So a USB jump drive. A couple rolls of tape. Nice little kit. Then the manual. And a little quick reference card here of some kind. Oh, this is the like a cue card of what you're going to see on the screen. All right. I've got some projects in mind, but I'm really excited to put this thing through its paces. That's alright. It's a transport piece that they want you to use. It's embossed right on there when you transport the unit from place to place, to put that in there when you put it back in the case to keep the spindle from rattling around. That was in here. Nice looking unit. I like the way it feels in my hand. That's a nice grip. All right. There's not much else I can show you right now. I don't have anything ready to go, so stay tuned. There'll be some projects coming down the road that I'm going to show you with this. So thanks for watching this.